Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be making a cake. So come on with me guys. Now I decided to make a box cake, and so I also bought the frosting. So it's usually pretty simple. You normally would get some oil, some eggs, and I forgot what else you add. I normally change some of the items that I'm using. So instead of using all water, I will use heavy cream, and instead of using oil, I will use some butter. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is also being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's myself. And in this channel, I'm known as Simply Grace Lifestyle. Hosting with me is Jean Home Decor and More, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Remember, as in all collaborations, I asked you to practice YouTube etiquette, and don't forget this is an open collaboration, so I invite you all to join. Let's have some fun, guys. Now, as you can see, I kind of just dumped all the ingredients together, which is really the eggs, the butter, and I used heavy cream, but I did add a little bit of water, and now we're just going to mix everything up and get the pan ready for me to bake. Now, the next best thing, if you don't have the baker's, I think it's called the Baker's Joy, and I absolutely love that, but I didn't have it with me. I did have, however, the vegetable spray, and then what I do is just add a little bit of flour and shake that around. We just want to make sure that this does not stick, and so that's normally what I would do. And then another alternative would be to rub the pan with butter and repeat that process with the flour, and then shake off the excess, and we're ready to pour it into the pan. So now I already have my oven preheated at 350 degrees, and we want to leave it in there according to the directions on the box, which is normally somewhere between 25-35 minutes. So you just kind of have to eyeball it and make sure you use a little toothpick skewer or anything like that to test the middle of the cake after that time goes by, to make sure it comes out smooth and there's no cake mix that comes on it. That's how you know whether or not it's done. Now, what I will say is after this came out of the oven, okay, it's getting ready to go in, but after it comes out of the oven, I did not show how I frosted the cake, just for time's sake. And so what you will see, it's already going to be flipped over and already going to be frosted. So now after I took it out of the oven, you have to let it cool. And I did stick it in the refrigerator. Then I brought it out and I frosted it and then put it back in the fridge. So this is what you're looking at here. So of course I cannot not have a piece. So I'm going to show you that, and then we'll head on over to the reveal. It's so yummy. All right, so I do want to take a moment and thank Jean Home Decor and More and Deborah Cabasa Home Living for hosting this wonderful collaboration with me. I would love for you guys to come. Just let me know if you want to be part of this quick and easy meals collaboration. I would love to have you. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.